Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Airdropper. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can mine free Tron every day. Okay, because using this cloud mining website. So cloud mining website is a website which gives you 5% of your investment every day. So, and one good thing about this website is that when after you've registered, you receive 200 crowns for free. Okay, so there are basically two ways you can earn from this website. Okay, you can earn by mining and you can earn by referrals. So as you can see right now, I currently have about 200 trons in my wallet, which is worth about $16.3 according to the website. So to get started on this website, what you need to do is you need to follow the link I'll be dropping in the description of the video below. Once you click on the link, so let me show you guys. So the link will look something like this. Okay, so the link will look something like this. So once you click on the link, we redirect you to a page where you're supposed to sign up. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will bring you to this page. So on this page, what you need to do is you input your mobile number, you log in, you input a security password. That you input your phone number here, you put in you create a login password, you create a security password which should be about 6 to 16 characters long. Then make sure this is the invite code there, and you type back these words, these 4 letters, and make sure this is flipped on. Then you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, if you use the email, that if you used my link to sign up, you receive free 200 trons for free. So I'll be showing you guys how you can earn from both the mining and from referrals. So let's start with the mining. So the platform gives you 5% of everything, that of your investment, of how much trons you deposit on the website. Get 5% of the amount you deposit on the website every 24 hours. So to activate the mining, what you need to do is you need to deposit trons to activate the mining. So the minimum deposit for this website is about 10 trons, which is very low. Okay, and it's basically affordable for everybody. So I'll be showing you guys how you can deposit, how you can withdraw, and how you can also earn from referrals. So to deposit on this website, what you do is you come over here to where it says deposit. Okay, so but before that, if you notice that on this website there are basically two accounts. There's the basic account and there's the promotion account. So the basic account, that's where all your deposits, your daily mining profit will be going, while the promotion account is the account where you'll be receiving most of your referral rewards. So to get started, to deposit on the website and to start claiming 5% daily, what you do is you click on deposit here. So once you click on deposit, it will give you a Tron address which you're supposed to send trons to. Okay, and make sure the Tron you're sending is the TRC 20. You're sending to a TRC 20 address. Okay, so I'll be doing that pretty quick right now. So I'll copy the address. As you can see, I'll click here to copy the address. Then I'll open up either your Trust Wallet or your Binance, whichever one you're using. So I'll be using Binance for the purpose of this tutorial. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using Binance. Okay, my Binance account, as you can see, I'll be sending 50 trons now from my Binance to the wallet there. I've already copied the wallet address, so I'll come over here to where it says withdrawal. So you can use any of your wallet address. So I'll paste the address here. That's the address I copied. Okay, as you can see, TRC 20. So I'm sending 50 trons to the wallet address there. Okay, sorry, I'm sending, because of network charges, I'll send 51, so that I'll receive 50 trons to the wallet. So I've sent, so I'm confirming right now. Okay, so I'll receive these verification codes, I'll fill it in, and that's all. As you can see, so it's basically very easy. The website is very legit, and you can make a lot of profits from the website. So once I do that, I'll just submit. Okay, I've successfully submitted the withdrawal request. Okay, I can view history. So once it's processed, I'm supposed to receive it on the wallet. Okay, so let's just wait till it's processed. So the withdrawal has successfully been processed. So let's check if we've received our payment. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and refresh. As you can see, it was 200 trons before, but right now it's now 250. So after you've made the deposit, you can now the mining will now be activated. As you can see, I have a deposit quantity of 50 trons, okay, and I've already activated the mining. Okay, so mining has been activated now. So after every 24 hours, I'll be receiving 5% of the total in my account, which is about 250 trons right now. So 5% of 250 trons is about I think 12.5 trons or so every day. So the more you deposit on the website, the more you'll be getting every day. That's quite interesting, right, guys? Yeah, so stick with me till the end of this video, because when I start telling you how you can earn from the referral part of this program, of the platform, you'll be amazed. It's way better than this. Okay, so let's continue. So this is how you deposit on the platform. So to withdraw your earnings, when you want to withdraw on the platform, to withdraw your earnings, what you do is you come over here to where it says withdrawal. You click on that. So it's supposed to redirect you to this page. Okay, so as you can see right now, my daily withdrawal limit is about 1.5 trons. Okay, and you can withdraw every 24 hours. So this daily withdrawal limit on your basic account increases with time. Do you understand? So with time it tends to increase. The more you deposit, the more profit you make, the more your daily withdrawal limit will increase. Okay, so my basic account, this is my basic account, while the promotional account daily withdrawal is unlimited. On your promotional account, daily withdrawal is unlimited. So if you want to withdraw, for example, now this is where you put the amount you want to withdraw. Here you paste your Tron address, that's your TRC 20 address. Here you input the security password you created when you were signing up for the page, and you click on confirm, and you receive it almost immediately. It doesn't waste time. So that's the first part of how you earn from the website, from the platform, which is from mining. So the second way you earn from this website is by sharing your link. So to do that, you go to where it says share. Okay, so once you click on share, you see your referral link or your invite link, which you will share with your friends and family. Okay, so there are basically three levels of the for the referral system. The first level, that's the people you refer directly by you get 15% of what they recharge. You understand? You get 15% of what they recharge. While the second level, which is level 2, these are people that are referred by your own direct referrals. You get 10% of all their recharge. That's all the mining profits they make. You get 10% of it. While level 3 referrals is the people that were referred by your direct referrals. You get 5% of all their referrals. That's here level 1, you get 15 trons if they sign up with your link. Level 2, you get 10 trons for if they sign up with your link, and level 3, you get 5 trons if they sign up with your link. That you get sign up bonuses, and you also get you get sign up bonuses, and you also get recharge bonuses. What can be better? This is basically the best platform out there for accumulating and mining trons. Okay, so now the last thing here, where it says mine. So on mine here, you can see where the deposit option, you can see the withdrawal option, you can see the amount you currently deposited, okay, on your account. That's the deposit quantity. Here you can see your team, that's the total people that were referred by you on that team. Here profit list, this is where you can see the amount of profit you've made so far. That's your basic income profit and your promotion income profit. Okay, this is where you see all your profits. Then transfer to basic. Okay, that's if you want to transfer from your promotion account to basic account. Okay, you put in the amount and you put in your security and you confirm. Okay, then there's the share. This is where you get a referral link. Okay, then there's notifications, that's from the app, from the company, notification from the company. Then language, yeah, you can choose your language, English, whatever language you want to use. Then this is if you want to update the app, and the last option is log out. It basically explains itself, that's if you want to log out. So basically it's with a very simple method, very simple steps you just have to follow and start earning, mining free trons every day. So the first thing, let's do a fast recap of what you need to do to start earning from this cloud mining website. The first thing you need to do is you use the link I'll be dropping in the description of the video to sign up. Once you sign up, you receive free 200 trons for signing up with my link. After signing up, the next thing you do is you make a deposit of trons, a tron deposit on the platform, so that you activate the mining section of the platform and you start earning 5% of your total investment every 24 hours. That's basically every day. Okay, so basically the more you invest, the more you earn. So the more you earn, the more your withdrawal limit increases. Then the third thing, to earn more, all you have to do is share your link with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, wherever. Share it with your friends and family, and before you know it, you accumulate thousands of trons, and which is basically a way for to financial freedom. Okay, it's this, make sure guys you don't miss this. Okay, don't miss this opportunity, because this is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. I won't want any of my audience to miss. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you love my content, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more of these videos for free, and make sure you hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notifications, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you immediately. Okay, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel, which I'll be dropping the link in the description of the video, if you have questions or suggestions which you want to direct towards me. So thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.